Have you tried everything to lose weight and nothing seems to work? What if I told you there's a secret soup recipe that melts fat like magic? In this video, I'll show you how to prepare a powerful cabbage soup that not only helps detoxify your body, but also speeds up weight loss naturally. Imagine getting rid of those unwanted fat while enjoying something delicious and nutritious. If you're tired of complicated diets and want a simple and effective solution, stay with me, because in the next few minutes I'll reveal all the secrets of this recipe that could transform your life. Ready for a change? Let's get started. Benefits. Now that you know this cabbage soup could be a real secret to melting fat, let's understand why it's so effective and how its ingredients work in your body to promote healthy and rapid weight loss. Cabbage, the main ingredient in this soup, is a true superfood when it comes to weight loss. Rich in fiber, it helps you feel full, preventing hunger soon after meals. Additionally, cabbage is extremely low in calories, meaning you can eat a large amount without compromising your diet. But the benefits don't stop there. Cabbage is also an excellent source of essential vitamins and minerals like vitamin C and potassium, which boost your immune system and help regulate body fluids. Now, you might be wondering, what makes this soup so special? The answer lies in a secret ingredient we add to the recipe. This ingredient has thermogenic properties, meaning it raises your body's temperature, speeding up your metabolism and promoting calorie burning even while you're at rest. Imagine combining the fiber power of cabbage with this metabolism booster. The results can be impressive. Moreover, the soup acts as a natural detox. The selected ingredients not only aid in weight loss, but also promote the elimination of toxins from your body, cleansing your digestive system and improving overall health. This is particularly important if you're feeling bloated or low on energy. And why is this soup so effective for weight loss? Because it combines three key elements: low calorie, high satiety, and metabolism boost. This means you can eat as much as you want, feel full, and still keep burning fat throughout the day. It's not just about losing weight, but doing so in a healthy and sustainable way. So, if you're looking for a practical, delicious, and effective solution to lose weight, this cabbage soup is exactly what you need. In the next few minutes, I'll show you step-by-step how to prepare this recipe and give you valuable tips to maximize your results. Shall we continue?
To learn more about diets and how they can help you lose weight, scan the QR code on the screen or click the first pinned comment to learn about the top 50 best diets for weight loss, a complete guide to help you achieve the body you've always dreamed of.
Ingredients and preparation. Now that you're aware of all the incredible benefits of this cabbage soup for your health and weight loss, it's time to get to work and prepare this powerful recipe. I'll guide you step by step through selecting the ingredients and making the soup, ensuring you get all the benefits we've mentioned. Ingredients. Let's start with the ingredients. To prepare this magical cabbage soup, you'll need the following items: 1 medium cabbage, the star of the recipe, low in calories and rich in fiber; 2 medium carrots, to add a touch of natural sweetness and more fiber; celery stalks, excellent for aiding digestion and adding more flavor to the soup; large onion, helps boost immunity and is packed with antioxidants; 2 garlic cloves, a powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant agent; green bell pepper, rich in vitamins and antioxidants. It brings a burst of flavor. 2 medium tomatoes, a rich source of lycopene which helps protect cells; vegetable broth cube, optional, to intensify the flavor of the soup; tablespoon of olive oil, adds healthy fats and a touch of richness to the flavor; salt and pepper to taste, to season according to your preference. The secret ingredient. Now, the special touch. 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. This is our secret ingredient, responsible for giving that thermogenic boost that speeds up metabolism and helps burn extra calories. Preparation. Let's get to the preparation. Start by chopping all the vegetables into small pieces, but don't worry about making everything perfect. This is a rustic soup, and the irregular pieces will add more character to the dish. Step 1. In a large pot, heat the olive oil over medium heat. Add the onion and garlic and sauté until they are golden and aromatic. This will create an amazing flavor base for your soup. Step 2. Next, add the chopped tomatoes and bell pepper. Cook for a few more minutes until the tomatoes start releasing their juices, forming a rich and flavorful broth. Step 3. Now, it's time to add the other vegetables: cabbage, carrots, and celery. Stir well so that all the ingredients are well mixed and absorb the flavors. Step 4. Add enough water to cover the vegetables, about 1.5 to 2 liters. If you're using the vegetable broth cube, this is the moment to dissolve it in the water. Stir well, increase the heat, and bring the soup to a boil. Step 5. Once it starts boiling, reduce the heat to medium-low, cover the pot, and let it cook for about 20 to 25 minutes, or until the vegetables are tender. Step 6. At the end of the cooking time, add the cayenne pepper and adjust the salt and pepper to taste. The cayenne pepper will give that thermogenic kick we mentioned, so be careful not to overdo it if you're not used to spicy foods. Extra tip: if you prefer a smoother texture, you can use an immersion blender to puree part of the soup, creating a creamy consistency while leaving some chunks intact for an interesting contrast.
If these tips were helpful, click like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss anything.
Now that you know how to prepare the powerful cabbage soup, I'm going to share some additional tips so you can maximize the benefits of this recipe and achieve your weight loss goals even more effectively. How to boost the effects. To really accelerate your results, it's important that the cabbage soup isn't just an isolated meal, but part of a broader strategy. Here are some ways to enhance its effects. Consume the soup as a main meal. During the first few days, replace 1 or 2 main meals with the soup. This will drastically reduce your calorie intake while still providing the necessary nutrients. Drink plenty of water. The soup helps detoxify the body, and drinking water throughout the day complements this process by keeping you hydrated and aiding in toxin elimination. Incorporate light physical activity. Even a daily 30-minute walk can significantly enhance the soup's effectiveness. Physical movement, combined with the soup's thermogenic ingredients, can further boost your metabolism. How to incorporate it into your daily routine. One of the best things about this soup is that it's extremely versatile and easy to include in your daily routine. Prepare in batches. Cook a large quantity of soup and store it in individual portions in the fridge or freezer. This way, you'll always have a healthy meal ready for busy days. Vary your consumption. If eating the soup every day starts to feel monotonous, try using the cabbage soup base as a broth for other recipes. Add shredded chicken, tofu, or even other vegetables to change the flavor without losing the benefits. Use as a starter. Serve a small portion of the soup before main meals. This will help reduce your appetite, making you eat less during the main course.
For more information on diets, scan the QR code on the screen or click the first pinned comment to access the top 50 best diets for weight loss, a complete guide to lose weight fast.
Storage tips. To ensure your soup retains all its nutrients and flavor, refrigeration. The soup can be kept in the refrigerator for up to 4 days. Make sure to store it in airtight containers to maintain freshness. Freezing. If you want to prepare a larger batch, the soup freezes very well. Divide it into individual portions and freeze for up to 2 months. When you're ready to consume, simply thaw and reheat slowly on the stove to preserve the flavor. Expected results. You might be wondering, what results can I really expect by incorporating this cabbage soup into my routine? Let's explore what you can achieve and share some inspiring stories from people who have already tried this powerful recipe. Realistic expectations. First, it's important to have realistic expectations. While this cabbage soup is highly effective in promoting weight loss, results can vary from person to person, depending on factors like your metabolism, level of physical activity, and adherence to the diet. However, many people report losing between 4 to 9 pounds in the first week, especially if they combine the soup with a balanced diet and light exercise. Remember, this soup is not a miracle solution on its own, but rather a powerful tool to support your weight loss goals. By using it as part of a broader health strategy, you may notice a significant reduction in water retention, less bloating, and of course, weight loss. And best of all, you'll feel lighter and more energized, which is key to staying motivated.
Below in the description and at the end screen, there's a playlist with multiple videos where I talk about diets and powerful weight loss techniques. Check it out.
Now that you know all the secrets of cabbage soup and the incredible benefits it can bring to your health and weight loss, it's time to take action. Don't wait any longer to transform your life and achieve the results you've always wanted. Try this recipe today. Follow the tips I've shared and see how small changes can lead to big impacts. If you want a simple, effective, and delicious solution to melt fat like magic, this is your chance. Subscribe to the channel, share your experience in the comments, and don't forget to check out the upcoming videos for more tips and recipes that will help you reach your goals in a healthy and sustainable way. Let's embark on this journey together toward a new you.